Has anyone ever said to you, get your house in order? Exactly what kind of things can you do to set your affairs in order? I'm attorney Vernita Williams. Welcome to this VCW Law presentation on 25 things you can do to set your affairs in order. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about these 25 things under 4 different categories. Our first category being personal organization and planning. Our second, estate and business succession planning. Our third, insurance planning. And our fourth, financial records. In this presentation, I will only talk about personal organization and planning. So, let's begin that discussion. First of all, in your personal organization and planning, I encourage you to write down your name, your social security number, your driver's license number, your date of birth, and your immediate family and very, very close friends. This information you will share with the people that you want to know this information in case they need to assist you or in case you pass away and they need this personal information. I also suggest that you write down the name, address, phone number, and email address for all of your family and your close personal friends. So not only will you write your own name, address, social security number, driver's license number, you will write information on your immediate family, your husband, your children, your wife, any close relatives and very, very close friends. After you do that, the next thing I recommend is that you turn your attention to your passcodes. In this day and time, everybody has a lot of passcodes. I have a lot of them. And if you're like the average person, you have social media accounts, you have bank accounts, your phone probably has a passcode, and all of these things may have very different passcodes. So you've accumulated a lot of passcodes. If you were disabled or if you passed away, would your next of kin know how to access all of these different things for which you have a passcode? Probably not. So you should list all of the user ID numbers and passcodes for all of your various accounts. The next thing I recommend under personal organization is that you write a resume of your accomplishments. Include your date of birth, where you went to high school, where you went to elementary school, where you went to college. Include all of the things that are your fond memories. And include, yes, anything you would want someone to include in obituary. Now, I'm not trying to be morbid, but I'm just trying to help you do a very good job of organizing your affairs. Someone who has to plan your memorial service would be very, very happy that you have taken the time to do these things in advance. The next and final thing on this video that I want to mention is, what about your safe deposit box? If you have a safe deposit box, you need to add at least one other person on that safe deposit box, and you need to give them a key to the safe deposit box and tell them which bank and which branch. If you pass away or if you're incapacitated and one needs to enter your safe deposit box, it will be a very difficult challenge for them if they don't have a key, if they're not listed on the box. The bank is going to tell them they need to go get a court order, they need special authorization, and just having to do all of those additional steps just to get to your safe deposit box will be very, very challenging for someone trying to help you. So these are a few of the things under personal organization. If you would like the entire checklist of 25 things you should do to set your affairs in order, please go to my website, vcwlaw.com. That is vcwlaw.com. law.com, and you can get a free download of 25 things you should do to set your affairs in order. Also, if you would like to call me at 786-831-9483. That's 786-831-9483. And you can leave your comments, questions, or suggestions there. Thank you so much for listening. Please feel free to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe so that you can hear this video as well as the other 3 videos that go into this 4-video series, as well as other videos on other things that pertain to probate, estate planning, and legal matters. Thank you so much for listening. This has been a VCW Law presentation. Go to my website if you would like the checklist of 25 things. Thank you.